In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks with ease, focusing on some key features that will streamline your accounting process. Whether you're a small business owner or an accounting professional, mastering these steps will enhance your efficiency and give you a clearer picture of your financials. First, let's start by heading over to QuickBooks. Simply open your web browser and navigate to QuickBooks Online. Once you've logged into your account, you'll find yourself on the home page where a variety of options are neatly laid out for you. This homepage is your control center, and from here, you can dive into the diverse functionalities QuickBooks offers. Now, draw your attention to the sidebar on the left. Here you'll see the Transactions tab. Go ahead and click on it. This section is particularly useful as it gives you a comprehensive view of all the financial activities happening within your business. You can see payments, expenses, and income all in one place. This visibility is crucial for keeping your cash flow in check and ensuring you're on top of your financial game. Once you've explored transactions, the next stop is the chart of accounts. Click on this option, which is also located on your left sidebar. The chart of accounts is essentially the backbone of your accounting system. It's where you can organize all your accounts, assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. Think of it as your business's financial blueprint. It organizes your finances and helps to track what resources you have available. After you've reviewed your chart of accounts, proceed by clicking Account History. This feature is incredibly helpful for auditing purposes. It allows you to review past activities within each account, making it easier to spot discrepancies or irregularities. Understanding the history of each transaction can be invaluable, particularly when preparing financial reports or during tax season. Now, let's talk about keeping track of what customers owe you. Navigate to the relevant area for accounts receivable. Here you can view outstanding invoices and track which customers still need to make payments. It's essential to keep a close eye on this aspect of your business, as timely collection of receivables is critical for maintaining a healthy cash flow. Finally, after reviewing all this information, make sure that everything is saved and secured by clicking the Save button. This step ensures that none of your changes or new entries are lost. It's a simple yet vital action to safeguard the integrity of your financial data. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now better equipped to manage your finances within QuickBooks. Remember, mastering these features not only helps you keep track of your business's financial health, but also gives you more confidence in making informed decisions. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to guiding you through more QuickBooks features in the next video.